Hello guys and welcome back.
Today we are going to do some work.
And today we are going to be prepping these. So we bought these, isopropyl alcohol, primer and then paint. And finally some sandpaper for wet sanding. So we are going to do the wet sanding right now. We are prepping, so we are going to put the side skirts on the wheels and then find the water because we don't have water here. And And now we are going to be cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol and then prime it. Ale daj to, máme strašne, Pane Bože, to naozaj. While we are waiting for the paint to dry, we are going to be mounting the new radio. Well, not really new, it was from my old car, but we figured why not, let's try it. Probably won't go, or probably won't work because it's probably coated, and yeah, the guy who sold me the car didn't really memorize the code, so yeah, we will try and hope that it works, and if it doesn't, then whatever. So yeah, let's go. This is the radio. Paul is already taking it apart. So we figured it out. You needed to unbolt these two, which we have on video, and then you needed to unbolt like two other bolts. And now the whole thing all the cover should come off like this. And now we are just, it's a matter of literally just swapping them.
Yeah.
So
Two to go.
yeah, should be easy, hopefully.
Yeah. If it's not coated, right?
Yeah. Okay, so it should come out right now. Should it? Will it?
Well.
Okay, but make sure to not break the cables. But just pull it out. Okay, cool.
Oh shit.
So let's check the back out.
Very nice.
it should be the same size, the same fitment, because it's just basically the same unit.
This should be the antenna, right?
Yeah.
And there's not.
Oh, there is no antenna. Well,
Okay.
Okay, so we pulled out the old one, and this is the new one. This is the new one, and as you can see, this is the connector. And give me the. So they are literally identical, so it might work. Even though this one is like what about 8 years newer, so. Yeah, we'll try to fit it. Hopefully the fittings on like these fittings hopefully are like the same. If not, we will use some kind of adapter. And yeah, now he's trying to find the antenna, but I don't think this car has an antenna. So yeah, oh it does. So it does. And this is the old one. This is the old one.
Let's try antenna on the old one.
We don't know why it was disconnected.
Yes.
So probably somebody was in here and he.
Okay, which one is which one? Well,
I would say this one is this.
Yes.
We will have to see if this one is coded, because
now-
if it is, then it's pretty bad. The new one, the new one is in, and it wants a code. So we'll try to guess it.
Look for the code.
Yeah. So there are some.
How many guesses do we have actually?
Oh, I don't know. Well, we will try to find the code on like the back here. Maybe it will work, maybe it won't. We'll see. But if it won't, then I'll have one of my buddies check it out, and he might be able to correct the code to find it. So yeah, let us guess.
Let's guess.
Unfortunately, the radio code wasn't found, but we found a seller on eBay that could maybe do it with only the serial number. So we will try to contact him and pay him like $10, which isn't a lot, is it? Like, should be good.
Should be okay.
And if that works, then it's perfect. Then we have a new head unit in. If not, then we wasted $10, but it should be refundable. It's put back together, and it looks really nice. I would say it looks pretty modern. It kind of breathes some fresh air into the interior. Now, what we found out is that it actually has red backlighting. So we didn't expect it, because since it's from a different car. But look at this. It has red backlighting, and it looks sick. I think it really brings out like the accents, the blue and the red. So yeah, tell us what do you think in the comments. And on a different topic,
Finished.
we are finishing the paint. This is the fresh coat, the freshest coat. Can you shine a light?
Yes.
Shine a light, please.
Well, it's running out of battery, but
Yeah, so this is the last coat. We will catch up with you guys in like 15 minutes. It should dry up by then, because like the
it's drying.
the paint is drying really fast, and then we will kind of we will kind of match it up with the car and try to see how it will look with it, and then we will go out for a drive in my car. Because
you don't like mine.
that's completely not true. I like your car. Not with the red shit. Yeah, I like it.
So the computer is still indicating some issues with the lights, so I'm gonna change the. Okay, I don't have a knife.
Cut!
Okay, I got a knife. New knife. We recently bought.
It's a great knife. I like it.
Would you mind it in your stomach? What?
What?
Okay, so
What?
this
Oh, yes.
shouldn't happen.
Yes.
Whoa.
It's lights.
Oh no. Professional gear for young.
Professional people. For professional
young people, yes.
Professional young people.
Okay, so we're gonna undo this.
Oh, I thought you was going to break it.
No.
No.
No way.
No. Why
Now
would you
we're
break
gonna
it?
undo this, and it doesn't wanna go.
I can see it moving.
Well, it moves, but I cannot take it out. It's like woman.
It was stuck, and we pulled, and it didn't want to work. Then we said "F it," and then we
Then I pulled
again,
harder.
and it popped out. So.
Okay, it's
And
again
it's
stuck.
And the light bulb is now stuck.
Okay.
So
Okay.
yeah, but if you can see, yeah, it's popped. So
So
yeah. So maybe it will work finally, and we won't have the warning message.
But I don't understand what it was stuck because it's not too big.
I mean, maybe,
I was afraid of that.
Maybe the connector is bad.
I don't, like you can see, it fits.
It's gaping. Yeah, but maybe the connector.
Okay, which one is it? Which one is it?
Is it?
It's that one, yeah.
But there are two.
It's a different style. Just don't mind it, I guess.
There's only one.
Oh, so take that one.
Because is it the same size? Yeah, it is. Yeah.
And we have an idea. What would you think if we put LED rings inside this
I
one?
don't see shit.
And then wait.
I don't see shit.
I'll show you the light and this one. If we put like LED rings in it, like angel eyes, but
Okay.
for the back. And then turn. Yes, that's
Very
it.
nice. I'm gonna try.
Yeah, let's try it. So it should work. Yes.
Let's jump from the window. We just wanted to see how it looks when the light works, and it works. But
It works beautifully,
but look at here.
What's the light? And it's a hole.
Yeah, it's a hole in the fifth door. So yeah.
It's definitely not rusted. No.
No.
It's
Yeah, so it's rusted
it's a
over
design.
here.
It's a design.
Yeah, it's
It's a design. This is pretty bad.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
And another upgrade. Two color license.
Dual
License
color.
light. Yeah. Dual color. Dual
That's a
color.
feature. That's not a mistake. That's a
No.
feature.
And another feature. Another feature.
Oh yeah, they are completely intact. You don't have to worry about it. For today, we are finished because it's exactly 7. And make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time. Akorát sa naškať to auto.
No, môžeš.
Musíš si sliny vyhodiť.
Čo mám povedať, že sa nebudú?
Ja musím natáčať. Tam zabudol, že natáčame. Hej, tak ešte raz.
Ja som na mi bude ten transport.